Well, look who's back, our good friend Heather Leverage from the Conservatory of the Ozarks and one of her students, Jaden Purrier. So good to see you too. First of all, you look amazing. You look like you're ready for a Christmas recital.
Thank you.
So beautiful. Heather, how have you been?
Good.
By the way, can I just tell you, we got so many comments on our gargling segment.
Good or bad? Jaden knows the gargle.
You know it.
It's a punishment if you don't maintain your vocal health during the week and you come into your lesson
or if you happen to get sick.
Then it's still a punishment. You should have been careful with your health.
I
forced you to gargle at your lesson otherwise.
And at the end, I don't know if you remember, I accidentally tried to spit it out and I missed the whole table and got on the floor. I had a great time. Anyway, you have the big Christmas recital coming up.
Yes, yes. So Sunday, 6:30 at Clara Thompson Hall at Drury. We have a $10 donation at the door if you'd like, but if you want to just come on in for free, that's totally fine as well, because we'd love to have you. We'll have a special guest from the North Pole.
What?
And we'll have pictures, music. There's an evil villain who is green who will be visiting as well.
What? Oh my word! All at the music recital?
Yeah, it's going to be incredible.
Oh my goodness! So if I remember you came on last year to talk about this, give us kind of a rundown of what will be happening at the recital, how it kind of works, and what the people will be seeing.
So the recital is a showcase for all of my voice and piano students who wanted to participate, and they prepare winter or Christmas or holiday themed solos or duets or group pieces, and so it'll be one act and then another act, sort of like a talent show, but all the performers are my students. And we'll have the Christmas recital. We do mixed age, so children through adults. Mostly I have adult students, but usually we do 2 separate recitals, but all the kids will be there, so they'll be cute, and some fun costumes, some really beautiful dresses.
Yes, that is a perfect holiday dress.
Christmas cookies.
That's wonderful. Jaden, so what will you be singing?
I will be singing a classical composition called In the Bleak Midwinter. It's based off of an English poem, and I think it just perfectly encapsulates Christmas and the cold and just that beautiful feeling.
It sounds hauntingly beautiful.
It definitely is. It's dissonant.
Oh, is it really? Oh, I love dissonance. Oh, how long have you been taking voice lessons?
I have been with the Conservatory since 2021.
What made you want to start taking voice lessons?
It started just as like a hobby. I felt like I wanted to do opera, but kind of as like a party trick. But then I quickly fell in love with it.
I love your honesty, though. I mean, and look what happened. You started, and you fell in love with it, and now look how far you've come. Oh, that's impressive. Did you come from a background of singing or singers in your family?
Not really. My sister always liked sang, and she has a beautiful voice, but she didn't do it professionally or anything. She actually joined lessons recently.
Oh, yeah. How fun.
She sang on here before.
Oh, what did she sing?
For Arts Fest. She sang that Lady Gaga song with Boots.
Yes, I remember her. That's your
sisters.
sister.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, she's fantastic.
Yes, she is.
How fun is it preparing, though, for this recital and picking the music?
It's so fun. Yeah, it's so fun. It's stressful, too, because I just get so worried that people won't be prepared, something's going to go wrong, and then I tell my students when I come into my lesson at the beginning of the day, I'm hoping for one of my students to delight me. And when I'm at the recital, I sit there and I watch, and I feel delighted by all of my students. I'm like, oh my goodness, you all worked so hard, and this sounds great, and you look great, and it's a beautiful, magical experience for me. And then I watch the video, one of your cameramen, you know, Tony, he films it, and I watch the video afterwards, and I cry over Christmas break while I'm watching it and eating popcorn. And you can watch the video of last year, and Jaden is on our channel, our YouTube channel. You can see her beautiful blue ball gown she wore. She was the kickoff of the recital last year. So.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
So what is the process then as a voice teacher to help that student find, you know, they always say even on every singing show, it's about the right song. It's the choice of song.
Yeah.
How do you help with that?
I see song selection as a collaboration. I also kind of feel like that's a weak point for me as a teacher because I never know really like the popular music, Jaden would oh no.
Yeah. No, I hear you.
And so, like if a student, which most students do, want to sing like a contemporary style song, a lot of times I don't know like good options. I don't really know what the options are. I know more like classical repertoire. And so I'll be like, what ideas do you have? What ideas do I have? And then like sometimes I'll have them listen to all of our ideas, songs, and we'll like rate them. 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10, whatever. We'll both give a rating and then we'll pick. And sometimes certain students, it will take weeks to pick the right song, and it's so worth it because if you are not like super thrilled and excited to sing your song, the audience is going to feel that. And if it's not the right fit for your voice type, it's going to show. And
well,
so,
one more time, what is the details? How can people get tickets?
you don't need a ticket. You just can
come?
show up.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
On December 14th, and the location one more time?
Claire Thompson Hall at Drury University, 6:30 p.m. and $10 donation at the door if you would like. But
There's
welcome
all
to
the information on your screen right there if you want to hear amazing local singers really working on their talent. And look how far Jaden has come, amazing. Good to see you both. Hey, happy holidays.
You
Happy
too,
holidays.
yeah.
All right, guys, don't go anywhere. When we come back, we're going to visit with our favorite lady, the Egg Lady, right after this.